From the header settings page, you can adjust the different cutting height parameters. First of all, make sure that automatic header height control is engaged. To activate the function, click on the button on the zone D of your armrest, the one with the black icon on the left with an A on it, in front of the dashboard screen. The automatic header height control is active when the red light on the top is visible. Now automatic header height control is active. To set cutoff height level, represented by the red bar, touch the box with the number and adjust the level according to your needs with the scroll wheel on the side of the terminal keypad. You can also adjust the cutoff level in the shortcut menu on the main screen second quarter. To adjust set point 1, the first cutting height level of the automatic header height control function, you have to use the scroll wheel on the armors right below the automatic header height control activation button. Scroll the wheel until you reach your preferred set point. Select then cutting height set point 2 box and use the scroll wheel on the keypad control of your terminal to adjust it. From here, you can also set the field pressure mode. Set the cutting height point to 0, and the system will automatically use field pressure mode when selecting the set point 2. You can also set field pressure using the horizontal bar. Lower the header till it touches gently the ground, check the blue bar value, and set the red bar slightly below that value, from 5 to 10% lower.